everybody, this is Patty. I wanted to give you a little video tutorial on how to find the articles for the summary that is due in a couple of weeks. So what you need to do is when you go into your Canvas, the lab Canvas page, you click on modules and then you will find in the modules, you can open up the article resources tab and then you will find the best place to find an article. It opens up another tab which you click, and then I provided the access to the database that you need to look into. So you will have in alphabetical order, you go into P as in psychology. You scroll down and there you find psych articles and psych info. You can use either of these two. I'm going to use psych info just because I'm used to it. And then you wait and wait and wait. All right. Now, let's say you're interested in understanding if there are studies that contain the word social media and anxiety. Remember that the article needs to be experimental and it needs to be in psychology. So you want to make sure that when you choose and when you do your research, you already narrow it down so that you don't get a lot of noise. So social media and anxiety, just don't narrow it down more unless you want to see, for example, if there is something, there are studies with youth, then you could insert youth. I'm just going to go with social media and anxiety. And then I'll scroll down. I'll take a look at these and remember your article needs to be peer reviewed. You can narrow down the publication year. For example, if you decide that you only want articles that have been written in the last 10 years, you can narrow it down. I'm going to leave it open so that I have more choice. And then publication type, peer review journal. Again, you want them in English, I hope, or if you prefer another language, you can, of course. And then in the methodology, scroll down and then you have empirical study. For example, you have experimental replication. Just click on empirical study and then search. And then we'll see what pops up. All right, so you have 719 results. You can now scroll down and choose whatever you're interested in. For example, analyzing college students' social media communication apprehension. For example, this is an academic journal. We narrowed it down before, so you have the right articles. You can download a PDF. If you're not logged in into your library account at this point, or maybe before, the central web page will ask you to log in, so just log in with your credentials. And so now you have already your PDF that is being downloaded and you can take a look at it. We talked in class that the abstract is a brief summary that briefly explains what the study was about. You have an introduction, you have a lit review, so this looks good. You have results, you have methods, you have a discussion section. Just look at it if you think that this is something you're interested in, and this is written in a way that you understand it and you think that you're able to summarize it. Just choose this article, save this PDF, and remember that when you upload your assignment, it needs to be a PDF article, and you need to upload two of these, and you're gonna have to summarize one of these. So have fun and come by my office hours if you need any help. Bye.